Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Dausroob snowboard bag. This is a padded snowboard bag. Fits my snowboard and everything else inside with ease. As you can see, very stylish look. The padding is very thick. It's got this little card holder here to let you people know whose this bag belongs to. It's even got a shoulder strap here. I tucked it away in this very convenient zipper here. I really like the accent orange colors. And let's just take a look inside this bag and how much stuff that I fit in here. So I got my boots, easy, jacket right there, snowboard pants right here, of course a snowboard, and it's strapped down with these straps on either side to make sure it doesn't move around too much in the bag. As you can see, you got this great insulation material, very thick, very sturdy. For the price, this is really unbeatable. I even got my helmet in here. I got my gloves inside my helmet. I got my goggles inside my helmet. I've got my long underwear. All my undergarments are inside this helmet. So this thing really makes it easy to travel with your snowboard. And it was very easy to zip up as well. Thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend this.